Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off allow people to answer on your comments or posts on your Quora app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. All you have to do, just go up here in this picture here on app, you will click, then it's going to show for you window like this, and all you have now just click here on settings. Then you come to settings here and window just waiting to show for you like this, and you click here on privacy. Then it's going to take you here in this window just waiting to show for you like this, and you go down, then you come here to allow people to comment and your answers on the posts. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's mean allow people to comment on your answer or your answers on the posts. It's turned off now. I wish you know you agree. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.